Develocity's test distribution feature is a sophisticated way to run tests using intelligent parallelism to make the most of our infrastructure and the most of your time. Test distribution intelligently distributes tests across a pool of remote agents inside your own network, using historical test data and your chosen container orchestration solution, such as Kubernetes. Tests for both local and CI builds are assigned to agents that run in parallel to cut test execution time by up to 90%. Test distribution uses insights from prior test runs to determine how to distribute the tests and give every agent a similar workload. Here, we're looking at how long each test typically takes. The insight from this historical data gives us intelligent parallelism. By executing the longest test classes first, we can minimize the total wall clock time that the testing phase takes. Even better, the data test distribution uses is constantly updated. If the amount of time a test takes starts to grow or shrink, test distribution automatically responds to that. And while tests are running, if a new agent becomes available, test distribution automatically uses that agent to make things even faster. Unlike CI fanout, with test distribution the code is only built once. When everything is built, Develocity gives all the agents a list of the files they'll need to run the tests. Some agents may have some of the files cached already, so the only files going to the agents are new files they don't yet have. Tests are then distributed to the agents, and every time a test finishes, the log for that test is sent back to test distribution. As long as there are pending tests left, they are distributed, and this continues until all the tests are done. As the last step, the agent sends other test outputs like Jacoco coverage data back to the build, so those are all collected in one place for easy reference. Test distribution works for local builds, not just CI or merge builds, and can be used to run multiple test tasks across multiple builds at the same time. That means you can make the most of your time and your hardware every time you run a build. Test distribution ensures that you get the fastest test feedback cycles possible, particularly when combined with Develocity's other acceleration capabilities, build cache, and predictive test selection. Contact us to learn more about using test distribution in your environment.